Has your website ever been hacked? It's actually more common than you would think. Hi, I'm Julia Taylor, CEO and founder of GeekPack, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about why websites get hacked. But I want to start out by saying it is not just WordPress websites that get hacked, but because WordPress is the most popular website builder, it is also the most popular target for hackers. The popularity of WordPress means that hackers have more opportunity to find vulnerabilities and exploit them. So look at it this way. If you are a fisherman and you are going out to fish, would you go to a pond with just one fish? Or would you go to a big ocean with lots and lots of fish? So what are some of the reasons why WordPress websites get hacked? Using the default login page for WordPress. As soon as a hacker finds out that your website was built with WordPress, that is when the attacks will start. And spoiler alert, the default login for all WordPress websites is /wp-admin or /wp-login. So it's not that hard for a hacker to figure out if you're using WordPress. That's why you should not use the default WordPress login page because you're just making it too easy for them. Using admin as your WordPress username. Again, this is a default setting for WordPress and one of the first things that hackers will try. So if you're using admin as your username, you're already giving away half your security. It's almost as bad as using password123 as your password, which leads me to using weak passwords. Now, please don't tell me you're using password123 as your website password, and also hopefully you're not using the same password that you use on a lot of different platforms. Or can I ask, how many of your passwords have your pet's name in it? It's so important to use strong passwords to protect your website. Not using premium hosting. You get what you pay for can definitely be applied to website hosting. Every time I hear someone say they're only paying a couple bucks a month for their website hosting, I think to myself, yeah, but what are you sacrificing by only paying the bare minimum? There are hundreds of website hosting companies that don't properly secure their platform, and if their platform is not secure, your website is at risk. Yes, you may save a bit of money, but compare that to the cost of losing your website, not keeping your website up to date. Keeping your website up to date is essential to keep it safe, and that includes plugins and themes, WordPress core files, PHP, all of it. The beauty of WordPress, it is constantly evolving and they're always coming out with new features and new functionality. But with every new release comes the potential for bugs and vulnerabilities. So developers are constantly updating and maintaining their products, so it's up to you to make sure that your versions are kept up to date as well. If you don't keep everything in your website up to date, it means you are leaving your website open to an attack. Not securing your wp-config.php file. Your password has to be stored somewhere, right? How else will your website know to let you in? Now that information, your password, is stored somewhere in the wp-config.php file. And you want to keep it safe. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and your notifications are turned on, because in next week's video, I'm going to give you top tips on how to prevent your website from being hacked.